Meet the 12 by 18-inch wood lathe machine, a powerful 550-watt, 3/4 horsepower benchtop lathe designed for precision and smooth performance. With 5 adjustable speed settings from 680 to 2,770 revolutions per minute, you get perfect control for roughing, shaping, sanding, and detailed finishing. The strong cast iron body reduces vibration, while the MT2 drive and live center ensure accurate and secure turning. Ideal for beginners and professionals, this compact lathe brings reliability, stability, and power right to your workshop. Craft your next project with confidence. Introducing the wood lathe machine, the perfect tool for turning raw wood into beautifully crafted designs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this machine gives you the power, control, and precision you need. Made with a solid cast iron body, the lathe runs smoothly with very low vibration. Its powerful motor delivers consistent performance, and the variable speed control lets you adjust the RPM for roughing, shaping, sanding, and fine detailing. Setting up is easy. Simply mount your wood blank between the centers or on the faceplate, adjust the tool rest, and start turning. The machine's stable base and secure locking system keep your work safe and steady. With this lathe, you can create table legs, bowls, pens, decorative pieces, and much more. The smooth speed transitions and sharp cutting capability make every project clean and professional. If you want a reliable, durable, and user-friendly wood lathe at an affordable price, this model is the perfect choice. Strong build quality, great performance, and excellent value for money. Upgrade your workshop today with the wood lathe machine, and bring your creative ideas to life.